Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send USDT from Trust Wallet to Kucoin. In order to send your USDT over from the Trust Wallet to the Kucoin application, open up the Trust Wallet. Now with the Trust Wallet app opened up, make sure you have some USDT on your wallet as well as the native currency of that USDT to cover gas fees. What do I mean by this? If you're going to be sending your USDT on the BNB Smart Chain, make sure you have some BNB, which is the BNB Smart Chain, which is this token here. Make sure you have this token to cover your gas fee. If you do not, use the buy option to simply purchase some BNB Smart Chain tokens, which you could then use as a cover for your gas fees. So use the buy option here to simply buy from any of the exchanges or any of the third-party providers associated with Trust Wallet or the BNB token. All right, so once you've added the BNB token to your wallet, let's say you have some USDT which exists on the BNB Smart Chain, which is this here, Tether USD. Click on Tether USD, the BNB Smart Chain USDT, and then once you're here, simply click on the send option. Now, in order to send, like I said before, you would need BNB to cover your gas fees, and you would also need the address and to also enter an amount to send. To get this info, minimize and open up your Kucoin account. All right, so once you've opened up Kucoin, make sure you have an account on Kucoin. If you do not have an account on Kucoin, by simply using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim welcome gifts worth up to 3,200 USDT when you register and verify using our link. So guys, welcome to Kucoin. How can you receive USDT from Trust Wallet? The deposit icon, click on this deposit icon. Where we have the search for USDT. So once you search for USDT, make sure you're depositing in the BNB Smart Chain network, as that is where we have our gas fees. So scroll through till you find the BEP20. Click on it. Click on OK. Copy this. Click on Got It. Minimize. And then proceed to open up Trust Wallet. Paste the address there. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to send. Click on Next. And now proceed to send your USDT from the Trust Wallet over to Kucoin. By just simply clicking on Send, you'd have successfully moved your tokens over there. So guys, that's how you can simply go about this. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer.